In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero tips, how to remove and redo a reconciled bank transaction, 5 minutes. If you've reconciled the wrong bank transaction in Xero, don't worry, this process is safe, quick, and fully reversible. We'll walk through undoing the reconciliation so the bank statement line goes back to your Reconcile tab, ready to match again correctly. Start by logging into Xero. Open the Xero website, click Login, and sign in with your usual details. Once you're in, head to your dashboard. From there, locate the bank account tile you want to work with and click into it. If you manage multiple accounts, double check you're opening the correct one to avoid undoing the wrong item. You'll land on the account transactions page. This is where you can see your bank statement lines and how they've been reconciled. Before making changes, it's a good idea to confirm you're looking at the right transaction. Check the date, amount, and any reference text so you're absolutely sure. Now find the reconciled transaction you want to fix. Select it by ticking the checkbox beside the item. With it selected, look for the Remove and Redo option and click it. Xero will show a confirmation prompt. Choose Yes to proceed. Here's what happens when you use Remove and Redo. Xero removes the reconciliation link between that bank statement line and the accounting transaction, and it returns the bank statement line to your Reconcile tab. If the reconciliation originally created a spend or receive money transaction on the fly, Xero removes that created transaction as well. If the reconciliation was matched to an existing bill or invoice, that bill or invoice is simply left outstanding again, ready to be matched correctly. After you confirm, you'll see a note that the action is complete. The bank statement line is now back on your Reconcile tab, where you can match it to the correct transaction or create the right one if needed. This is particularly helpful when a payment was matched to the wrong invoice or when the amount, contact, or reference wasn't quite right the first time. A couple of quick tips to keep your books tidy. Take a moment to review the contact name, amount, and description before reconciling again, and make sure you're in the correct date range when locating items. If you don't see the Remove and Redo option, you may need the right permissions, so check with your Xero administrator. That's it, simple and clean. You've successfully undone a reconciliation in Xero and moved the bank line back to reconcile so you can do it the right way. Thanks for watching and happy reconciling.